Dresser Rand is one of the world's leading suppliers of gas turbine-driven power generator and compressor packages for the oil and gas industry. Over the past 25 years, Dresser Rand has supplied and installed over 100 gas turbine packages for fixed and floating offshore installations worldwide. Dresser Rand's innovative mini-module gas turbine generator and compressor package takes gas turbine packaging one step further. With its auxiliary and control systems integrated in a torque tube single-lift package, the mini-module is a complete loop-checked and tested unit when it leaves the Dresser Rand facilities. The major benefits of the mini-module are to eliminate the time-consuming piping and wiring work usually required at module integration. It features a compact design that allows easy access to auxiliary systems. The mini-module's main components include a generator or compressor, gearbox, gas turbine, acoustic enclosure, plenum, and control room. All components are placed on a 3-point mounted torque tube base plate. Next to the large torque tube, the auxiliary systems are placed along the sides of the package, making systems accessible from outside for ease of inspection and maintenance. The mini-module compressor package follows the same arrangement and can accommodate direct drive and geared compressor trains. All control wiring and power cables from the field instruments and electrical equipment are routed within the mini-module. The wiring leads into the control room, which houses the unit control panel, motor control center, and fire and gas panel. This allows Dresser Rand to loop check and test all the wiring. Before leaving the Dresser Rand facilities, the package, with all its auxiliary systems, is connected and tested by our highly skilled and experienced personnel. No disassembly is required prior to shipment, so the package arrives as a single unit. Compared to a traditional package, the mini-module comes with a significantly reduced interface need. This results in minimal handling and reduced installation and commissioning time at the yard. Dresser Rand delivers unique solutions to customers by ensuring the highest quality and minimum risks for contractors, thus reducing overall installation time at site. With its innovative single-lift mini-module package design, Dresser Rand brings added value to your project and ensures efficient and reliable production in your future operations.